Today I am going to talk about how to change the battery of MacBook at home, and you can do it easily like a pro. Okay, so first step towards changing the battery will be to just check the back of the existing battery, that which version of this battery is really fitted into it. For example, you can look at the version here, the model number. You have to exactly match the model number with the battery number, and then you should buy. So if you look at the battery model, so for example, in this case it's A1618. So before buying, you should note down this number, and then you should look at what is a voltage. So that is also very important. For example, this is 11.36V and 8755 mAh. So this matching must be done. So once we have got the right battery, so we'll go ahead with the steps to replace the battery. So if you look at, I have removed the connection between the trackpad and the motherboard. So this is open, and the battery, first you disconnect the battery, that section which I'm showing, and then you disconnect this, the connector between motherboard and your trackpad. It is very easy, just pull up and it will disconnect. And then you should unscrew the two screw which connects the battery to this port, and make sure that this connector remains safe. Now to remove the battery, you need screwdriver to just remove its glue from the back portion of it. So if you look at, first you should start with the left and then right and then middle. I have removed the right side with this screwdriver. You have to just rub a little bit back of the battery, it will come out. There is a glue, and then proceed with the other areas. So you should do slowly, and this entire portion will come out one by one. So if you look at the section of the battery, you should always remove this middle section in the last. Now I've just pulled it out with the help of screwdriver. Now it is clean. Now I'm going to put back the new battery and connect back all the connections over here. So it is pretty simple. So this is my old battery, this is new battery which I have purchased, and I'm going to put this battery into this laptop, and this battery serial number and everything matches with this battery. Now this battery is very easy to fit. Just there's a glue already put on this battery and you can remove it. Now if you look at, I have to connect back the connector. It is very easy, just and gently push, it will connect. So I have connected the connector with the motherboard, should be fine, and then I will connect them to the motherboard. Now the whole setup is completed with this step. So now you can go ahead, switch on the MacBook and see the battery status. It comes with a 50% charged, so keep it for some time to get it fully charged. This way you can replace the battery very easily. So if you need a tool to open this MacBook, the good news is that the tools come with the battery. So the battery which I received has two tools with it, and other than that, if you need the tools, I have made other videos where I have mentioned the tool. If you look at the right side, this is the tool, and this is the normal screwdriver which I use to open this MacBook, and you can check the status always while charging. So thanks guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions, put in the comment.